Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I have a very quick, fun, easy tumbler doing a glitter hack that I've done before, but I needed to do it again. So I'm using a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler, and I'm going to epoxy this with the Oh So Cute by Jessica Save the Date beautiful white vinyl. So once that was done, I did 2 coats, and I'm going to use these vinyls from Peachy Olive Glitters. Absolutely adorable. And so I'm going to kind of do a split. I'm just seeing how tall I needed it and then cut the vinyls in half. So I do 4 inches of each because at the very bottom I am going to use a glitter. That's also from Peachy Olive Glitters. So I'm just cutting each of these vinyls down, and these are a semi-transparent vinyl, so the glitter will show through anything that is white because it's clear then, and then the other ones are printed with, of course, the colors. So I am just cutting off a little bit of the backing and placing it back on there so it's easier to put onto my tumbler. So I'm going to start at the top with the apples and place this around. Once I'm happy with the set, or the placement of it, I do pull that backing off and squeegee that down, and then go all the way around. Once I get to the other side, the apples kind of overlap, so what I do is cut off all the excess, and then like those apples at the top and at the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and leave as is, but the one in the middle, I am going to completely cut that out and place a separate apple in that from the part that we say we cut off. So I'm just gonna grab that little slot right there, grab that apple out of there, and place it right into the middle so that it doesn't look so out of place. And then this will be the back of the tumbler, so you're really not going to see those anyway. And then the bottom one, I'm going to do the same exact thing, making sure that I do line up the ends of the vinyl at the same spot. So that is what I'm doing here. And of course, these went on super great, no issues at all. And I am going to, the only thing at the line, because this is a patterned vinyl, especially something with like this, you can see it doesn't match up perfectly, but I'm okay with that. So then once I get all of that squeezed down, and if you can hear my grandson, I'm so sorry. I've asked him to be quiet like 14 times. So I'm going to tape that off around the bottom of the vinyl. And we are going to take some red acrylic paint and paint the bottom. I am going to use, like I said, Peachy Olive Glitters. Apple a Day, I believe is what it's called. And yeah, so here is the red paint. I'm just going to place that on there. It does not need to be perfect because the glitter we're going to use does an amazing job covering up. So yeah, it doesn't need to be perfect, but it is what it is. And I'm using this wet, Apple a Day by Peachy Olive Glitters. It's so pretty, and it goes so well with this tumbler. I'm going to use the paint as my adhesive, and once this dries, I do take the sealer, the glitter glue, and seal this so that it doesn't move around once I go to epoxy. So I did do that. There's the glitter glue. And this only needed 1 coat of epoxy before we moved on to the next step. So here I'm going to, I cut out a piece of red vinyl, glitter vinyl, and I'm going to place this all the way around the middle of the tumbler where that seam is. So you can't really see how them two come together. But I just thought this would be nice because you got the glitter at the bottom that kind of looks like a band, and then this. And then I'm going to also, I cut out in like a red metallic and offset, and then white vinyl. And it just says an apple a day will keep anyone away if you throw it hard enough. So funny. I had to use it. So making sure that I place this on the front of the tumbler, and placing down the offset first. I kind of wish that I had used maybe a green, but I didn't have any. I really wanted the metallic, and I didn't have any green metallic. So the red was fine. And then I'm going to place the words on pretty much one at a time to make sure that they all line up perfectly. So my exclamation point I had to do separately. It kind of got messed up as I was weeding it. Not a big deal. I just want to make sure that it fit on there right. But I did give this 2 final coats of epoxy before it was done. And this will be available on the website. But look how pretty this is. I think it's so stinking cute. The green plaid with apples, it just goes. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.